Weather department was busy today.
Yeah, these storms finally winding down, which is excellent news because now we have a lot of cleanup to do, especially on the west side of Cleveland and in the Parma area. There's other damage too. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch, or we did, that was in effect until a few moments ago. That has just been allowed to expire for our southern tier of counties. So that severe weather threat is rapidly diminishing this evening. Now, we're not totally dry. You can see we've got some scattered showers on the map, but these are very scattered. Most of this rain is pretty light to moderate shower activity there on the west side of Cleveland, across Portage County, and then down into Youngstown. This is a loop just over the last 3 hours. All the green boxes that you see on here are flood advisories because we have some standing water as well. We also have some storms over Lake Erie. These are drifting generally off towards the east-southeast, but again, they're moving into an environment where we've seen a ton of active weather today, so it's not super conducive to strengthening or to more thunderstorms. All the active weather moving away from us this evening. So here's how things will kind of evolve over the rest of the evening. From now until 9, we're going to have scattered rain and maybe a few rumbles of thunder in the area, but the severe weather threat has ended for us. Overnight, first alert for patchy fog, and please watch for roadway debris as well. We had a lot of storms, a lot of damage, trees, power lines down, so be mindful of that. Better days are ahead. We've got your extended forecast coming up in just a bit.
Here, but right now we're dealing with a little bit of rain as I look at the radar behind you, Sam, right?
Yeah, still pretty active out there, but no severe weather, which is a good thing because, again, now we need to clean up, and there are a lot of trees, tree limbs, branches, and power lines to clean up, as well as some property damage. So certainly thinking about everybody who's been dealing with these thunderstorms today. You can see we do have some storms out over Lake Erie and a thunder shower moving through Cuyahoga County as well. Here's that on first alert Doppler. Pretty steady rain right over Parma. Again, a lot of these areas don't even have power at this hour. So if you're in Cuyahoga County and you can see us, maybe you do have power or you're watching on your phone or tablet, want to let you know that this is not severe. I know we've seen quite a bit of active weather today. Can be really jarring when you just went through a lot of severe thunderstorms and then there's more coming. Want to let you know that these are not severe. We have storms over the lake. We'll need to watch those along the lake shore, but they're moving into an environment that's been really worked over because we've already seen a ton of thunderstorms today. So the threat for severe weather with these is pretty low. One more thunderstorm in southwestern Huron County, and then out towards Tiffin, we have quite a bit of activity there, as well as some showers and maybe a little thunder there in Crawford County. If that holds together, that'll move into Ashland and Richland counties, but it is also not severe. So here's the drill for the rest of the evening. Next few hours, hit or miss thunderstorms out there. Severe threat pretty minimal. While we do have the potential for a little rain along the lake shore, thunderstorm threat a little bit more impressive down towards Ashland and Richland counties. Overnight, fairly quiet, a lot of cloud cover, and this is your first alert for a little patchy fog developing overnight into early tomorrow morning. Areas of patchy fog to start the day, but good news here tomorrow, a lot less humid. It will feel like a totally different air mass. Not only will it not be as muggy, it's not going to be as hot tomorrow, and it'll be blustery too, so it'll feel really good out there. By mid to late morning, our fog lifts. Gorgeous weather tomorrow, kind of a blend of sun and high clouds, and I kind of touched on this. Cooler, less humid. We're in the upper 70s, but really blustery. Not the best hair day tomorrow, so lots of hair